Hello friends, this is Mr. Whoer, and today I've got some exciting news to share about the changes in IP address checker on Whoer.net. At first glance, there haven't been any changes to the interface that many of you appreciate. You can still view main or extended info about your IP address. Exciting updates are now available on the Browser Fingerprints tab. Let me quickly highlight the fingerprint with an example. Imagine a situation where a user's account on a website gets unexpectedly blocked, leading to being placed on a ban list. In an attempt to continue using the service, the user creates a new one smartly with a fresh email and phone number, adjusting connection details, and even changing their IP with a VPN. However, even the new clean account can end up blocked or prove impossible to create. This occurs because the evolving AI-driven website security has identified that all these accounts were generated from the same device, analyzing unique network fingerprints. You can now explore which specific fingerprint details of your browser and device are detectable. Plus, there's a solution to fix the issue, the Wade Anti-Detection Browser, and you can find the link right here. Use the Wade browser to create different digital fingerprints. Explore our updated service to understand which specific fingerprint parameters may reveal your identity. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on new videos. This has been Mr. Whoer. See you online.